The brain is a complex organ that controls our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Can we enhance the way our brains work? Fortunately, there are several approaches to enhance brain performance. A type of brain training that has become more and more popular recently is called neurofeedback. So in this video, let's examine how to maximize our brain's true potential. Understanding the brain. A supercomputer cannot match the speed and power of the human brain. It is believed that the brain's storage capacity seems to be limitless. It doesn't become used up. The latest research shows that the brain's memory capacity is a quadrillion or 1015 bytes. This is almost the same amount required to store the entire internet. While making up only 2% of the body weight, the brain consumes 20% of all the energy and oxygen in the body. Your daily life can be greatly improved by learning how to optimize the functioning of your brain. However, the brain can continue to form new brain cells via a process known as neurogenesis. Limitations of traditional brain training methods, puzzles, memory games, and computer brain games have long been the most popular ways to improve brain function. However, these approaches often have a limited effect since they focus on specific skills or tasks instead of the underlying brain networks that underlie these abilities. A decrease in motivation and engagement can also result from the repetitiveness and monotony of conventional brain training techniques. This could result in a lack of long-term improvement and slow progress. Furthermore, traditional brain training methods frequently ignore individual variances in brain function and learning preferences. Because of this, results can vary depending on who you ask. Something that works for one individual may not work for another. But traditional ways of brain training may offer some general benefits. So first of all, let's get into some traditional ways to maximize your brain. Number 1, read more. In addition to being enjoyable, reading can help strengthen your brain. The best method to develop your brain might be to read. This has been confirmed by numerous studies. We already know that reading to children is good for their brain development and increased vocabulary size. According to research from North Central University, reading slows down the process of aging in adults' brains. Another study from the University of California, Berkeley showed that reading can lower the levels of beta amyloid, a protein involved in Alzheimer's, by keeping the mind working. Number 2, take a break. We deal with challenges daily that we must find solutions for. But it's crucial to keep in mind that our brains require breaks and relaxation. Also, it's true that our minds become dull and less creative when we concentrate on a task for a long period of time. Numerous studies emphasize how crucial it is to take breaks in order to give our brains a reset. In actuality, breaks can help your brain break through problems by refreshing it, bringing back creativity, and in the long run, making you more productive. Next up, number 3, work on cognitive skills. There are various apps available to help you train your brain. Lumosity and Elevate are among the most popular apps in this category. You can play games on these applications to help improve mental sharpness. The games are easy to play at first, but they soon get harder and need the player to think. While both apps train your brain, they focus on different things. Elevate features games with an emphasis on math, reading, writing, and listening. Games on Lumosity test your speed, memory, and capacity to handle various streams of data. You may test out both applications for free to determine if they're right for you. What is neurooptimal? As I previously stated, neurofeedback, sometimes referred to as EEG biofeedback, is a method of brain training that has become more and more popular recently. It helps people to regulate their brain activity. It involves measuring the electrical activity of the brain in real time using sensors attached to the scalp. This information is then fed back to the individual through visual and auditory feedback in the form of a game or video. This form of neurofeedback is what we call linear, as it directs the brain. Neurooptimal, the most sophisticated type of neurofeedback, has emerged in recent years with the introduction of nonlinear dynamical neurofeedback. It is a highly personalized kind of brain training that addresses the unique characteristics of every individual's brain activity. The system uses in-the-moment feedback to support the brain to be more present and self-correct, improving cognitive performance while supporting the management of challenges. The best part is that all you have to do is just relax. The system operates without your conscious awareness, where it's believed that 95% of decisions take place. Whether your goals include improving your mental health, reaching career milestones and personal bests, or reducing reactive behaviors, Neurooptimal could be the training method that unlocks your full potential. Maximizing your brain's capacity can lead to a variety of benefits, including increased cognitive functioning, emotional stability, and general health. While there may be drawbacks to traditional brain training techniques, neurofeedback offers a non-invasive, secure, and efficient way of developing your brain and reaching your full potential. Your brain's born limitations do not define who you are. You have a ton of opportunities to grow. Avoid overstressing yourself and overloading your brain in order to reach its maximum potential. Alternatively, you can increase your intellect by training your brain. Maintaining your health can help you avoid degeneration and cognitive decline, as well as improve your memory, reasoning, and problem-solving skills, all of which are essential for reaching your objectives and fulfilling all of your aspirations. To assist you in reaching your brain training objectives, Neurofeedback Australia provides neurooptimal, cutting-edge neurofeedback technology, along with a customized training program. Yes, you can even try the traditional way. That brings us to the end of the video. Let's meet again with another interesting video.